Welcome to our session on SPSS, a powerful software for statistical analysis. Let's begin our journey into its capabilities. SPSS truly makes complex statistical analysis accessible, even for beginners, simplifying data interpretation and research. Now, let's explore the key components of the SPSS interface, understanding how each part contributes to your workflow. We'll learn how to navigate this statistical environment effectively, making your data analysis journey smoother and more intuitive. First, we have the data editor, which is where all your raw data resides, ready for analysis. This editor clearly displays your actual data and allows you to define all the variables you'll be working with. Next, the output viewer is crucial for seeing the results of all your statistical tests. It conveniently shows all your analysis results, including charts, tables, and any statistical findings. For more advanced tasks, the syntax editor provides a powerful way to automate your analysis. Here, you can write and run scripts, which is incredibly useful for complex or repetitive data analysis tasks. The chart editor is where you fine-tune your visual representations of data for presentations. This editor allows you to precisely modify and customize all the graphs and plots generated from your data. Lastly, the pivot table editor helps you organize and present your statistical findings effectively. With this, you can fully customize the statistical tables displayed within your output viewer for clarity. Let's now dive into the essential SPSS menus and functions, which are your main tools for analysis. Consider these menus your comprehensive toolkit for effective data management, transformation, and statistical analysis. Starting with the File menu, it's fundamental for managing your SPSS data files and projects. Here, you can easily create, open, and save your data files, ensuring your work is always secure. It also allows you to export your analysis results into various formats, like Excel or PDF for sharing. The Data menu is central to manipulating your datasets, preparing them for insightful analysis. This menu offers robust tools for data manipulation and transformation, making your data ready for analysis. You can easily sort, select specific cases, or merge different datasets, streamlining your workflow. The Transform menu is powerful for making changes to your data, creating new variables. Use this to modify your existing data by creating computed variables based on specific calculations. You can also recode values into different categories, which is often necessary for categorical analysis. Finally, the Analyze menu is where the core statistical power of SPSS truly shines. This is where you'll perform all your statistical tests, extracting meaningful insights from your data. It includes a wide range of options, from descriptive statistics to regression, and a NOVA for comprehensive analysis. Now, let's learn how to create a brand new data file in SPSS from the very beginning. This section will guide you through setting up your dataset completely from scratch, step by step. First, open SPSS. Then select New Data from the File menu to begin creating your dataset. Next, switch to the Variable View tab at the bottom of the Data Editor window. Here, you'll define each of your variables, specifying its name, type, and a descriptive label. Once variables are defined, switch back to Data View to input your actual observations. Finally, save your dataset, typically in the standard SPSS SAV format, to preserve your work. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of variables and labels within SPSS, fundamental for effective data handling. This section will teach you how to organize and describe your data effectively, making it ready for robust analysis. First, let's explore numeric variables, which are essential for any quantitative analysis in SPSS. These variables hold values perfect for mathematical operations, like age or income, allowing for calculations. Next, we have string variables, which are used for non-numerical information in your dataset. They store text or alphanumeric characters, such as a person's name or their city of residence. Then, there are date variables, specifically designed to handle time-related information. These variables store date and time values, which can be represented in various useful formats within SPSS. We also encounter categorical variables, which are vital for classifying your data into distinct groups. They group data either with an inherent order, like ordinal, or without, like nominal categories. Moving on to labels, variable labels provide more detailed and descriptive names for your variables. These are crucial for offering clear, detailed descriptions of your variables, enhancing data understanding. Finally, we have value labels, which add meaning to the numerical codes within your categorical variables. They assign meaningful names to numerical codes, making your categorical data much easier to interpret. Now, let's explore the core data management operations you'll frequently perform in SPSS to prepare your data. One key operation is select cases, allowing you to focus your analysis on specific subsets of your data. You can also filter data to temporarily exclude certain observations without deleting them from your dataset. Another powerful tool is recode data, which helps transform existing variables into new ones for analysis. Then we have merge files, which enables you to combine data from multiple sources into a single dataset. All these operations collectively help you prepare your data efficiently and effectively for subsequent analysis. Let's learn about sorting cases and variables, a fundamental step for organizing your data effectively in SPSS. This process is crucial for organizing your data, making it much easier to read, understand, and analyze. You can sort cases by a single variable, arranging them in ascending order for straightforward review. This code snippet sorts your data by age in ascending order, executing the command efficiently. You can also sort cases by multiple variables, for example, by class ascending and marks descending. This command sorts by class in ascending order, then by marks in descending order, executing the sorting process. Additionally, you can sort variables conceptually within the variable view, perhaps by name or type. You can reorder variables using the Data menu's Sort Variables option, or by using the MATCHFILES syntax. Finally, we'll cover interpreting and exporting SPSS output, which is how you share your valuable findings. This crucial step focuses on effectively communicating your statistical findings to your audience. Let's first discuss output interpretation, which involves making sense of the results SPSS provides. You'll learn to understand statistical tables, including key metrics like mean, median, and standard deviation. It's also vital to interpret p-values correctly to determine the statistical significance of your findings. Analyzing charts helps you visualize data patterns and distributions, providing deeper insights. Always check confidence intervals to assess the precision and reliability of your statistical estimates. Next, we'll explore exporting output, which is how you save and share your results. You can easily export your output to Microsoft Word, ideal for creating professional reports. Exporting to Microsoft Excel allows for further calculations or advanced data manipulation if needed. For secure sharing and printing, exporting your output to PDF format is an excellent choice. Finally, you can simply copy and paste elements into PowerPoint for impactful presentations. Let's summarize what we've learned today, highlighting the most important aspects of our session on SPSS. Here are the key takeaways and essential points that you should remember from our introduction to SPSS. Remember, SPSS offers a user-friendly graphical interface, making complex statistical analysis much more accessible and intuitive for everyone. The core SPSS interface comprises three main components: the data editor, the output viewer, and the syntax editor. You can easily create new data files, import data from formats like Excel or CSV, and export your results effortlessly. Variables are defined by their specific types, and using descriptive labels significantly improves the clarity of your data. Essential data management tasks in SPSS include selecting cases, filtering data, recoding variables, and merging different datasets. Sorting both cases and variables is crucial for organizing your data efficiently, leading to better analytical insights. Finally, Interpreting and exporting your SPSS output correctly are vital steps for effective reporting and presentation of your findings.